The Leeandro Noray Scholarship is established for studies in music production, creative or fine arts, music or film, Steelpan certification, or APA Steelpan Fellowship at the University of Trinidad and Tobago. This partial scholarship honors a multifaceted creative individual. It covers up to 100% of tuition fees, books, and materials for both full-time and part-time students, and will be awarded annually to a deserving individual with a profound dedication to music and digital media. The late Leeandro Noray was a self-taught musician and visionary entrepreneur. Leeandro's life was defined by a quiet determination that allowed him to master every craft he pursued, from the intricate rhythms of the Steelpan to the art of digital media. Raised in Signal Hill and educated through its local institutions, Leeandro's journey was rooted in family and tradition. His evolution into a respected young cultural figure in Tobago was marked by a commitment to excellence and his involvement in the Steelpan fraternity. For over 26 years, the Steelpan was the heartbeat of Leeandro's life. What began as a childhood curiosity, inspired by his uncle, Mr. Glenford Noray, transformed into a career as a performer, leader, and visionary. Leeandro's orchestral leadership came to fruition when he served as a section leader and drill master for several of Tobago's premier steel orchestras, including Our Boys Steel Orchestra, Steel Explosion, Redemption Songsetters, and Cats and Jammers. Largely self-taught in music theory, he eventually reached the pinnacle of his musical ambitions as an arranger for the West Side Symphony Steel Orchestra, a role where he translated his passion into complex, soul-stirring compositions. Beyond music, Leeandro was a respected professional in the visual arts. As the founder and CEO of Lee Tech Media Limited, he became a vital chronicler of Tobagonian culture. His portfolio spanned the intimate and the grand, capturing milestone personal events such as weddings and portraits. Through his lens, he highlighted the stories of major cultural activities, including Great Fete, the Tobago Jazz Festival, and Carnival. Leeandro Noray passed away, leaving behind a legacy of purpose, patience, and sincerity. This Memorial Scholarship Fund aims to support young Tobagonians who demonstrate the same independent and creative spirit that Leeandro embodied, who, like Leeandro, are committed to mastering their craft through both formal education and disciplined self-study towards forging their own paths.